Today's video, guys, we are gonna play Animal Hospital. Guys, I'm Shrimpo, and guys, there's actually a secret. I don't like him, but I actually I'm a fan of Shrimpo, even though he's like the worst tune. Ooh, what is this? Sorry, guys. Yeah, I got Nurse, Century. I kind of want to be this one. Doctor, Security, Head Nurse, Surgeon, Secret Agent. Yep, that's the. It has a gun. Nurse. I want to buy this one, but I don't have enough. This one is 120. Okay, I can do that. I just gotta do stuff or something. Oh, let me join this. Never mind. I want to play like with good teams. Like I kind of want to play with good teams. Like I already said that. That has like good stuff. Like have good tune or something. Sorry guys. I have Danny's word stuck in my head. Sorry. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this one is on top. Wait, is this like whatever coins? What are these coins? I know they're coins because they're gold. Oh, dang it. Ah! Can somebody help me? This one has Secret Agent. And why is his name Dino Kid? Like and subscribe if you know Dino Kid. I know Dino Kid. 3 patient vanished from their room last week. Why this girl look at me? Oh, never mind. Why did she look at me? For a moment, I thought she's following me. Every employee who entered the wing quits within a week. But we don't. I think we start at Monday. Oh, I want us to. Okay, we have a kind of good team. We only have one. We only work at the hospital until you found out what's really happened. What do you mean? What really happened? It's just a regular hospital. Nothing's gonna be bad, right, guys? Ah, good. Oh my gosh, I just saw somebody. Oh my god! Why does he smile like that? You know who are these patients? For like, did I just see the? I just saw the brown smiling bunny or whatever it is float in my face. Did you guys pause it at the right time if you don't? Ew, is that the brain? What is this, Sanity? What is that? We have coffee, and we have a chocolate bar. Ooh, let me buy this chocolate bar in case I'm hungry or something. Oh, it costs Robux. Yeah, I'm poor. Sorry, guys. I do room 1. Good. Sorry. Okay, another, whatever these things are. Wait. I'm gonna check the camera. I don't think that's a regular person. Oh, thank God. Oh, dang it. I want to check on the patients. I want to look at this. I don't think that's a regular person. Wait, let me look at this. Oh, man. Oh, I think... What is wrong with her eyes? Why is it kind of like a monster? I know how to play this. Okay. We need to wait. What do I do? What do I do? Give him CPR or something? What do I do? Do I escape or something? Oh, I'm stupid, guys. Need dry eyes. What are that? Oh, eye drops. What are these? What is there? Oh, what is this? Oh! Wait, please don't cost Robux. Oh, okay. I thought it would cost Robux, guys. Okay? Make sure, you feel better. Somebody, what is that? Oh! Yay! I got 5. Aw. Wait, what is that? Oh, it's the best doctor. So whoever does more patients. Did I just see him tweak? No, that's not a regular guy. That's not a regular guy. I saw him tweaking. Why don't you guys believe me? He's tweaking. Okay, guys, you can just die. I got room 1. Okay, room 1. Room 1. Room 1. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh my gosh. What is that? Make sure you don't step in the puddle or what the heck is that? Okay. Ouch. I'm gonna away from that. I don't want to get any, I don't have to play this, game because I already did one. Oh, what is that? Okay, it's kind of like that blood thing. Ah! Struggle. Ah! What do I do? Okay, I'll do this one. Ouch. Hopefully I'm the best one so far. Do I do? Type something in. Beep, boop, beep, bop, boop, boop. Okay. Resource. Medkit. Don't worry, I will get that right on the way. Scoobaloo. Sorry, guys. Like and subscribe if you know what I'm singing. Oh, that's just staff only? What is this? Oh, I need coffee. Oh, what else? I think that's when you like stress. Oh, dang it, guys. I think I'm gonna die. Oh! The shop is open. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, man, I should have just... How is that the best? I did more work. Okay, you're good. You do that while I do the. I get this coffee, but I might. Okay, you can do that. I don't care. Sup, I'm smiling. Oh my gosh, that's a smiling person. That's a smiling person. Heck nah. I'm not gonna use that because. Yeah, leave, weirdo. What do I call those monsters? Anomalies? Yeah, I think I do because I saw people. I watched people play this game, and they call them anomalies. Oh, we unlocked it in the other one, and it had there's nothing different, but something is but they're not. It's not actually different because it actually has different kind of Which way are you going? Okay, that way. You go that one. Good as good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It started flickering. I'm doing this one. Ouch. Yeah, I know it hurts. Oh, this time is not. Okay, gotta remember. I don't remember. I know the other ones are blues. I dropped in those. Oh, there's 2 blue ones, and there's. Okay, you're gonna be all right. Okay, just take a deep breath and go to sleep. And I'll tell you when you recover. Actually, there's a bell that will wake you up, and you're gonna feel better in no time. Sorry, guys. Oh, wait. What? Okay, guys, like and subscribe for part 2. You know, stop watching me, camera pervert. Oh shoot! Oh my gosh! Don't go there! Don't go there! Oh my gosh! Yeah, that's what you get. Why does he have no arms? That was scary. Okay. Do somebody need help? Oh my gosh. Are the mythos ready? I'm not letting anybody do this patient because I'm gonna be the best one. Oh my gosh. No, this one will become an anomaly. I know it. Oh guys, so they do appear, but when we do surgery, we do. Oh. Ah! Okay. Whatever you call this in a med kit, I believe. Please tell me I'm right. Okay, you're gonna be awake. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's gonna be okay. Sorry, guys. Like and subscribe until the next video. I'm gonna make a part 3. It's probably gonna be with the other people, but let's see. The meter's almost done. Okay. Wait, okay, thank God he's not an anomaly. I thought when the light flickers. Come on, you're good. Come on. Sit on the bed. Come on. Or else you're going to be a Diddy Bud. Guys, like and subscribe for part 2. I'm probably going to do this with other people, but you already know because I don't want to friend random people. So like and subscribe for part 2. Peace.